Hi, I'm Ashish from Platform AI, and today I will introduce you to Platform, our environment for codeless AI modeling. Platform allows you to create AI models using point-and-click tools in a visual environment. Today I'll show you a quick example. After you log in for the first time, you'll be taken to the collections screen. Collections essentially represent your datasets on Platform. Uploading a collection is really simple. Just click on the button, give the collection a name, and then upload images. Each collection can have multiple projects associated with it. Our public collections let you test Platform even if you don't have images. When the collection is ready, you can add more images to it by clicking on the plus symbol, or you can create a new project. Creating a project is really easy. Just click on an existing collection to create a project for it. Give it a name and you'll be taken to the environment screen once the project is ready. Okay, so I've switched to a public project with more images to make it easier for me to explain certain features. Recall we uploaded only 40 in the previous example. Now, the major components of the platform environment are the label management tools on the right side, the project menu and tools on the top of the screen, the perspectives on the bottom left, and zoom tools and a help section on the bottom right. The background that contains our images is referred to as the canvas. It shows projections of images clustered together by their embedding values. Essentially, that means the AI model in the backend generates the points on this canvas that determine the location of each image. The canvas retains semantic relationships between the images, which means that similar images are closer together than dissimilar images. This forms the basis of platform, where you basically increase the cluster density of similar clusters and decrease proximity between dissimilar clusters. This collection of images has different views of cars, like front, back, left, and right. To start using Platform, you only need to know three things: how to navigate the canvas, how to add images to a label, and how to train your model. There are two options for navigation: changing projections and panning. To change projections, you can click on the dots to the bottom left. You can highlight some of these with a different color for future reference. Another way to change projections is to use the left and right arrow keys. Platform also allows you to pan or move around the entire canvas. You do this by holding down the spacebar and then left clicking to move the entire canvas around. Labeling is really easy on Platform. You can create a label for a group of images or assign them to an existing label. To select images, just hold down the left mouse button and drag across them. You can then open the gallery to view your selection. The button next to the gallery lets you ask Platform to find images similar to your selection. Now that I have my selection, I'm going to make two simple labels for demonstration: left and right views. And I'll try to group my selection into these two categories. As you'll see, you can cross out images that you don't want to label, and Platform will hold on to them so you can assign them to another label. Platform requires a minimum of 10 images per label and a total minimum of 32 images assigned across all labels. After you finish labeling some images, you can train the AI model. There are two kinds of training in Platform: batch and interactive or online training. For now, we'll cover interactive or online training, the network button, which is the faster option. Interactive training randomly selects 1,000 labeled items to train your model. It should take under a minute to get ready. At the end of training, you should see a change in your cluster definitions. Some things will be closer together and others further apart. You repeat this process, labeling more, checking for bad labels, and then retraining your model. But that's it. This is how you end up with a trained model on Platform.